Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can connect to an Ubuntu Linux machine from a Kali Linux machine. And I'm on the Ubuntu Linux machine. There's a few commands we need to run. We'll be using XRDP for the remote connection. So we need to make sure that we have XRDP installed and enabled on this Ubuntu Linux machine. And then we'll go over to Kali Linux and use a tool called Remina to do the connection. So I'm gonna open the terminal here. Let's go ahead and do a package repository update. And we'll do sudo apt update. And that's done. Now to install XRDP, the command is sudo apt install XRDP. And in my case, XRDP is already installed. Next is to check the status of XRDP. You can enable it using system ctl enable XRDP. And you can start the services using sudo system ctl start XRDP, and we can check the status using sudo system ctl status XRDP. Now it's enabled and it's active and running. Okay, now that we have that completed, we can check the IP address on this device. We'll need an IP address for this device. We'll also need a username and password that would allow us to do the remote connection. So the command is IP address. The IP is 172.16.1.105. Now we'll go over to the Kali Linux device. What I can do here is go ahead and log out, and then on the Kali Linux device, like I said earlier, we need a tool called Remina. So let me open the terminal here. Go ahead and install it. We'll use sudo apt install Remina. It's already installed. Now, one other thing you can do is you can try and see if the remote device, which is the Ubuntu Linux device, you can use ping to see if it's reachable. So let's send 3 pings to 172.16.1.105, and we can ping it so it's reachable. Now we'll go ahead and open Remina. You can open it from the terminal, or you can search for it from your applications here. Okay, so this is the tool. It's a GUI based tool. We'll be using RDP, and we need to type in the IP address for the Ubuntu Linux device here. So 172.16.1.105. Press enter. You'll get this pop-up window here. Put in the username, put in the password. Okay, put in the password here. And I'm connected. If you see at the top here, the IP for the Ubuntu Linux device is showing. And let's just fix the scale here, the display. And this is it. I can open the terminal. So I have the terminal open here. I can verify the IP address. So you see this is the 172.16.1.105. If we do W, it shows the connection here, and it's saying we're using XRDP for the connection. So that's all for this video. That's how you can connect to an Ubuntu Linux device from a Kali Linux using RDP or XRDP. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.